Okay, we're going to look at file transfer now. So if you open FileZilla, you'll see a screen like this the first time. So what you can see on your left-hand side is that this is the local directory. So you can see all the stuff there on the end drive. For example, I'm going to use something in this folder, example scripts, to transfer over later. So this is your local information, and this will be the server information. And what we want to do is log on to the server. So go to File. There's a range of options up here. File, we go to Site Manager. And this will open up a new panel like that. So what you want to type in here, you can see it's saved it already. You want to type in aurochs.perbright.ac.uk. You select the login type as interactive because you've got a two-factor authentication going on. Make sure this is SFTP here at the top because there are different file transfer protocols and we're using the secure one. So the first time that you do this, you may need to use it as a new, you make sure that is a new site that you're using, and then just hit connect like that. And it's what it's asking me for is my password. And you can see that you can't see your password. You're typing it in to keep it more secure. And then it'll ask for your Google Authenticator code. So hopefully I'll type it in. There we go. Yeah, and that's logged in there. So now on the right-hand panel, if I maybe zoom in, you can see all the files in my slightly disorganized directory on the cluster. And what I might want to do then is maybe if I want to transfer a file from this folder, I can do that. So maybe if I want to transfer this, what can I transfer my .bash history? Transfer that here. I can do that. So I just drag and drop that over like that. And you see at the bottom that it's going to process that. And I have to type in my password. And also the Google Authenticator code. Like that. And you see there, I have one successful transfer. I can see my bash history file has been transferred over. So that's an success. And what I want to do then is, this is all the files in my local folder. I can, if I want, create a directory. So if I want to create one like B02, for example, I can do that. Or I can't do that. I can't. Okay, so you just have to drag and drop. So, for example, you might want to transfer scripts over like the ones shown here. So you can just transfer over test.sh using drag and drop again. So it asks you for my password, and it'll do this every time. And I have my code, 6-digit code, type it in, and then we see test.sh is there. Now, if I am on MobaXterm, I can see what's there, and look, I can see there I've test.sh is there. It's a very small file down there, not much in it, but it's there, which is good. And if I want, I can drag and drop all these over as a batch by pressing the Shift key and using the cursors, and I drag them all over here. And you can see it's trying to process all three. And if you do a bunch of them together, you may need to type in multiple password and code requests repeatedly, depending on how many times you've transferred. So you can see they're all there now. I can check that there afterwards. So anything there, look at those four there that have just been transferred right now at this particular time, suggesting that the file transfer was successful. So this video just concludes how to transfer files.